Welcome to this video where we will learn about Screaming Frog SEO Spider. This is a powerful website crawler tool used by SEO professionals to analyze websites in detail. It helps in identifying issues that may affect search engine rankings and provide valuable insights for optimization. Screaming Frog Spider is a desktop program that crawls websites in the same way that search engine bots do. It collects data on URLs, meta tags, headings, images, links, and much more, allowing you to perform a complete SEO audit. Screaming Frog is essential because it saves time and ensures accuracy. Instead of manually checking every page, the tool scans hundreds or thousands of pages in minutes and highlights technical SEO issues. Some of the key features include finding broken links, analyzing page titles and meta descriptions, generating XML sitemaps, checking for duplicate content, and reviewing robots.txt and directives. The tool identifies all broken links, both internal and external, on your site. This is important for user experience and SEO because broken links can harm rankings. Screaming Frog lists all title tags and meta descriptions, showing their length, duplication, and whether any are missing. This makes it easier to optimize them for better click-through rates. You can create XML sitemap directly from Screaming Frog. These sitemaps can be uploaded to Google Search Console to help search engine crawls your site more effectively. The tool identifies duplicate pages, titles, or descriptions, allowing you to fix them before they cause any kind of SEO issues. This helps maintain content uniqueness and authority. Screaming Frog checks your robots.txt file and meta robot tags to ensure important pages are not blocked from search engines. Screaming Frog integrates with Google Analytics and Google Search Console, allowing you to combine crawl data with performance metrics for deeper analysis. The tool provides a detailed view of your website's structure, identify technical SEO problems, and gives actionable insights to improve rankings and user experience. In summary, Screaming Frog SEO Spider is a must-have tool for any SEO professional. It speeds up audits, find hidden problems, and help optimize sites for better search performance. Thank you for watching. Download Screaming Frog SEO Spider and start analyzing your website today for a healthier and more optimized online presence.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.